your desktop. Yeah. Let me turn on my system on. Yeah, we'll drop the call. Sure. Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Uh, yeah, I can't hear you.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Right. So I'm trying to show you the salesforce.com dashboards now. So whenever user logins to the application, I can show this type of dashboard to him. So these are independent reports. Currently, there's no data in my current demo application. Okay. So I can show the sample request for the current user. Uh,
Mhm.
by default, when you're logging in as Dr. Srinivas, you can see the reports on the behalf of you. And you can also see the
Mhm.
things how people are performing like this. And there is a simple filter on the top of this is called dynamic dashboards, and by clicking on
Mhm.
this, um, I can view this dashboard as for suppose
Any of the user.
any of your subordinates. I'm like opening again. Okay, this is not refreshed. For suppose I'm clearing this, and I want to show this dashboard as Flash Stevenson is my subordinate. So I'm searching for FLASH and selecting this. My dashboard components are automatically refreshed and it automatically shows the new data on the behalf of based on the Flash Stevenson's data. You got this?
Okay.
So currently the dashboards are currently you are currently viewing as Flash Stevenson. Okay. And when you click on this particular dashboard, when you click on this link, it opens a new link, or you can also open in the same window also the list of all the data of all the sample requests for that user.
Mm-hmm.
And I can show some filter like this. Uh, um, you can put down the weekly report or monthly report, monthly sample requests, weekly sample requests by showing this some type of filter like current financial year. We can customize it.
Okay, and this part is customizable
Yes, this is
filter.
customizable. Yeah, this is customizable
Okay.
filters. And I can run this
And
report, and I can even schedule this report also for future runs. It automatically emails you. By clicking on the simple option, you can export this very quickly in terms of CSV or Excel format.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yeah. You might be using XLS format. You can use this. Click on export. It downloads the file onto your system. And if you want to email to your manager, click on this
Mm-hmm.
run report, schedule for future runs, and you have option to email to yourself by clicking on to me or to your other managers or your subordinates. Just click on this, pick any user, and this report will be automatically emailed to you as well as to Ben Stewart on weekly or monthly report.
Okay.
I can schedule this. It automatically sends every week or every uh, starting of the month or end of the month.
And it is sent in an Excel format, is it?
Yeah, so the report sending is in the format, not in the Excel format. It's like you can see the thing in an email, the complete report in an email.
In the email.
Yeah,
It's not as an attachment. It can be seen in the image.
yeah, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Understand.
I can give me a second. I have option to show that. There are some reports which I scheduled to myself, so that's the reason I'm trying to show you how it looks like. Okay. Anyway, I can forward that email which I'm getting to me myself. Okay,
Okay.
the export, how it looks like. So currently you asked this user activity report, right? So I can create a different
Mhm.
component for different object. So first
Yeah.
of all, by seeing the dashboard, you can very quickly see how he's performing, how many MOMs he created today in terms of meter gauge or any uh, uh, any visual component. There are around 8 component, 9 components in Salesforce. So by clicking on that particular thing, you can show the details of that MOM report, and you have option to filter by week, by day. You can even change option by setting some date, start date and end date also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like daily report, does it show automatically, or do we have to select the date
No,
every day?
the current date I can put. See, the default option I can configure, but the later on,
Okay.
if you want to see, I can show the daily report. But if you want to modify to your weekly report, you have option to pick a pick list value and see the weekly report also by changing a simple option.
Okay. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Introduce yourself now. Venkat, my colleague Kiran, he has a question for you.
You're right, right.
Uh, yeah, good morning, Venkat. Are all these objects will it be displayed in a single thing or would it be separate?
Yeah, it's displayed in the single screen like this. I can show that to you. I can make this component for MOMs, for sample requests, for opportunities. Same way, I can put down if there are 8 components. I can put for eight different
Uh,
sections
Venkat,
here.
you're not very audible. Can you actually increase the volume?
Yeah, I can connect via phone in a minute. Okay, give me a second. Um,
Hello. Venkat, are you there?
Yeah, I connected to my phone. Okay, GTM. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. Not much better now.
Oh, okay. So give me a second. Yeah. Can you hear me now?
It's
Can
almost the
you?
same.
Oh, okay. So, Aras, can we do the telephonic call? Can you call me?
We'll do on the phone.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I connected with my phone. I connected to this GTM.
Yeah, I'm just calling you.
Right. I'm dropping off from this call.
Yeah, I'm just putting you on the speaker.
I can.
Yeah, go ahead.
I got the question.
Yeah.
So, as there are around, the user activity around 9.
objects.
Yeah.
I want to show different components for different objects.
Yeah.
For sample requests, for CDs,
Mm.
for MOMs, like that.
Yeah.
On this component has a different component.
Okay.
And this is the component which generally shows a report on all the users, on all the data, how they are performing on which normally, how much they are active. That's different thing if I can remember that.
Okay.
So when you click on each component, first of all, this is for sample requests. If I click on this, it will link. It takes you to the new report, the sales report of sample requests. So I can even show the same recommendation the
Okay.
data here.
Okay. Okay.
But there is no data in the current demo.
No, we got the
See,
idea.
what exactly does it show on the dashboard? Does it show just a graphic kind of thing?
Yeah, it shows a simple graphic. Yeah.
And it'll show, say, for example, it is related to sample request. It'll show user-wise how many sample requests are created for that period, right?
Yeah, it shows sample requests in terms of creator case. Give me a second. I'll show something that because that's what I think the user some reports which are not having some data, but I have other dashboard data which is related to some recruiting application. Okay. Yeah, I can show the record count. I can show you the recommendation like this. Here also I'm using only the vertical bar chart, but there are a lot of good components like greater pages, and I can show you the record count also.
Okay. Now I have one question here. Like when we are talking about this graph, it is for multiple users, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that is for the admin, but for individual users, they just have to see what they have done.
So the dashboard what we are building are dynamic.
Mm-hmm.
If you are logging in as administrator, because we have access to all the people, then you can see the company-wise all the reports, all the sample requests, MOM, the type of data.
Mm-hmm.
And as you are logging into the application, as you are the senior level person in the company, you can see the dashboards in terms of you.
Okay.
Like all the data which you own, as well as all the data which your subordinates is owning. Okay. The data you can see all the data.
Mm-hmm.
I can even control the security level. Okay. And you have option to modify that option that I already showed you. But when Dr. Kiran or some person is logging in who is subordinate of you, you don't see your data. You can see the data which is specific to you.
Okay.
So the reports are automatically refreshed based on the data, based on the user who is logging into the application.
Okay.
Okay. So if an admin logs in, each vertical bar would represent one user. In case of an admin.
Right. Yeah. In this case, I can do one thing. We can do reports for admins. Admins can see the reports where they can classify how many what users are doing, what Kiran is doing, what Srinivas is doing, what Karthik is doing, like that they can put out the vertical bar chart.
Yeah.
It shows the record counts in terms of vertical bar chart.
Yeah, that's
what. Also the user reports
yeah.
specific to users. It shows the report very specific to users, how much data they have done,
Exactly.
and how they are classified.
Yeah.
What sample requests for which customers. You can show the customer data here. For sample requests for which customer, type of screen report I can show this for users.
Yeah.
Again, the same report can be accessible by even by admin of the market. Here you can see the same report for all the customers.
Yeah.
So once we click on the graph, we can actually see the report. Say we're talking about user activity report. How do we actually access? Because now it is in the form of 9 components here, or 11 components. But how do I see the whole report? Would I be actually able to see the whole report as I shared it with you in the template, or it is just going to be individual components separately?
Yeah, these are going to be individual components.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. When you click on this, they are mixed with the independent report. So if I need to build a report like this, which is shown you on spreadsheet,
Mm-hmm.
yes, I have to build some we have created this with FX program. We have to build it separately for the we just have to put all this like this in one page.
Okay.
So, and in this case also you have the filters is again the big problem.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to lot of customization. You have to build your filters. You have to and attach that for that as required. That's the program activity.
Mm-hmm.
But I if I want to show the data is too big on some of the objects,
Mm-hmm.
there are some limits for others. I block. Okay.
Okay.
What would be the limit for records?
That's not that.
Okay. Okay. What is the limit for records?
Number of records, like there are pictures and records for an object. Okay.
I don't think we would have as many, so it
No,
should
we
not be
wouldn't
a
have.
constraint for us.
Monthly or yearly also we won't
Yearly
have.
we won't have so many.
Yeah. We won't have that many records.
Yeah. So, but building this page with VS Beacon will take some additional effort. That's the customization,
Okay.
FX programming.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So that even extend your time limit.
Okay. Okay. I mean, see.
Most people will prefer this type of this is like an advanced thing. If
Mm-hmm.
you want to build even technically, also it takes much time.
Okay.
Like this type of dashboard, but therefore already provided this feature for us
Mm-hmm.
to give it still effectively customize and build this custom reports.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, we have some APIs and APIs that needs some customization. Okay, we will explore that option also.
Okay.
Again, that needs programming.
Mm-hmm. Venkat Anand is also here with us.
Yeah, Venkat, how are you?
Yeah, how are you?
Good. Where are you now?
Yeah, but
Working for any IT company or which company are you working for?
so means I currently work with my own company. Okay.
One.
We are doing some apps for Salesforce.
Oh, okay.
We are IT part of Salesforce.
Okay.
And we have a few assignments, the customer assignments.
Mm-hmm.
Few of them are retail customers. Okay.
Retail customers. Retail.
Yes, retail customers.
Okay. Okay. So what are the scheduled reports we have asked for? Okay. So I think
Yeah.
it is feasible for us to get the way we intended, is it?
Right, exactly. There is few changes, but the changes we recommended is I think it's more better than
Yeah, previously discussed. And one more thing, what we heard is about the objects limitation. It's only about the 3 objects which can be clubbed together to actually develop a report. Can you please shed some light on it here? Like, is there any limitation with respect to objects, grouping of objects in Salesforce?
you're asking me like can we include 2 to 3 objects in one report?
Yeah, is there any limitation?
There's no limitation exactly, but if the objects are related, I can include 4 objects data also in the same screen.
Okay.
Up to 4 objects I can include. But with the joint reports, the capability is increased to more than that, up to 6 to 8 I can include.
Okay.
On the same report, I can show the joint reports where you can compare between multiple objects. But that's not recommendable. I can say it's 4 records which are related. First of all, coming down to your scenario, accounts, CPs, MOMs, all these are related objects. You can show all this data in one report.
Okay.
So there is no such limitation from Salesforce on integrating the objects.
Integrating objects with?
I mean, to make one single dashboard, let's say, pulling up from different sections.
No, there's no special effort for that.
There's no limitation. Is there any limitation from Salesforce?
I can include many objects in the same dashboard also.
Okay.
And mobile sync. Actually, in the Salesforce has released a new app. Salesforce One. Salesforce has released the new app, right? Salesforce One.
Mobile sync.
Mobile app.
Salesforce One.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, we have some customizations in our desktop version, like customer product and all. And in the mobile, we are able to view them, but we can't edit. So can we get it customized? Even in the setup page, actually, Salesforce is offering a page wherein we can add these customizations and all. By default, it is showing some customizations, but not fully.
Exactly. So, I mean, this is compatible for the Salesforce One. Salesforce One, again, we can customize it within the, so we have to build responsible pages for that. The cost, like the UI have to.
No, actually, in the setup page, we saw like they have given an option wherein we can design the mobile way.
Venkat, what Kiran is actually referring to is, see, MOM page, which you have customized, is working fine. But when it comes to sample request and code, we are unable to generate code from Salesforce One app.
They are unable to open the pages.
No, we are able to open the code. We are able to key in all the details. But the only issue is it's not generating a PDF code from the app.
Okay, I think you have to do something action. There are some actions. You have to take the actions for doing that.
Okay.
You can create PDF files by giving them simple action button even if there's no one on it.
Okay.
You have to create some actions for that.
Okay. So is that something that simple, or is it something?
Customization is required.
So yeah, if the code is already available, I think it's simple, but you need to recreate it. Like it's a small thing.
Okay.
Is it that the source code is shared with the Salesforce community, the partner community? The Salesforce One.
Very custom app, right? So the same code will not be available for partners.
Okay.
But yeah, yes, there are some examples similar way, but not the same examples.
Okay.
So Salesforce, in the developer.com, they can give who are kind of they generally give very small staffing code for that.
So customizing parts okay. So you need to customize code.
So
Expose custom code for Salesforce.
So what we'll do, Venkat, we'll send you the requirements. First thing would be the reports. The second thing is the app.
Can offline have that.
Second thing is the mobile app, Salesforce One. And third is offline connectivity. See, it's not showing the customization in offline connectivity.
So offline the Salesforce mobile application or
Client desktop.
Client side.
Salesforce offline, okay, current offline, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So it's not showing the customized objects there. Like for example, MOM,
Okay.
offline connectivity is not showing.
Yeah.
So that's another thing we want you
Can
to.
we show the standard way?
Yes,
Even
yes.
the customer is also
Yeah.
what things are visible. We have to pick it manually.
Yeah.
Because we customize the complete mobile screen, right? You can't show the same UI there.
Yes.
So that's the desktop application by Salesforce where we cannot modify to some extent.
Okay.
But I will export option. I will let you know on email.
Sure. Sure.
Okay. So offline, Salesforce connect to offline. But coming to Salesforce one, yes, we can do default option.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll send you the requirements today, and the sandbox password we will share it with you after the 31st only. See, currently Ascendo is actually, they're tweaking a few things that we wanted changed. So once they are through with that, I will share you the sandbox password also, so you can just check and give us the possibilities or the best solutions that you can come up with, and then probably once you do that, we'll discuss with you once again, and we'll take things forward from there. Sounds good?
That sounds good. Yeah.
Okay then. We will send you the requirement. In the meantime, you can just check up and the sandbox password after the 31st.
Sure, no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay then. Nice talking to you, Venkat. We'll send you the mail by end of day today.
No problem. Hey, thanks, Noah.
All right.
Thanks.
Thanks, Venkat.